3 years after it first broke ground in one of North Metro Atlanta's most exciting master plan communities, Encore by David Weekley Homes is proud to announce the opening of Phase 2 right here inside the gates of the retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake. From lifestyle-enhancing amenities to floor plans designed to optimize one-level living, active adult homebuyers will love the national award-winning home builders' take on 55-plus living. Streetscapes lined with lakeside cottage-inspired homes are set against a scenic backdrop throughout. And with 14 floor plans from which to choose, now is the ideal time to come and pick your perfect blend of home and home site in Flowery Branch. By getting in at the launch of construction, you'll have the opportunity to choose all your colors, fixtures, and finishes at David Weekley Homes Design Center. Ready to make your move now? Several quick move-in ready homes are available at the retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake that have either already completed construction and can close within 30 days or will be ready to move in later this summer. Of course, the best place to start your journey is by touring the community's 2 stunning model homes. I'm here in the 2-bedroom, 2-bath Gilmore, and it is perfect for people who love to entertain. The owner's retreat at the rear of the home has all the makings of a welcome escape with its bedroom overlooking the backyard, spa-inspired bathroom and walk-in shower, and spacious walk-in closet. This flexible plan comes loaded with options, including a basement, walk-up attic, or upstairs bonus room. If you often host overnight guests, you'll be happy to learn that the plan's existing study can be replaced with a 3rd bedroom. By pairing a beautiful design with a highly livable floor plan crafted to accommodate the way modern active adults live, David Weekley Homes makes it easy for prospective homebuyers to envision a vibrant new life at the retreat. That vibrant new life isn't limited to beautiful David Weekley homes like this one alone. While you're here, be sure to explore the retreat's exclusive amenity center and alluring collection of amenities throughout Sterling-on-the-Lake. To learn more about David Weekley Homes, the retreat at Sterling-on-the-Lake, and their extensive floor plans, head on over to their website, davidweekleyhomes.com.